So Marshall, where we are? This is Coracle.
So, hello everyone. So, we are in the Tungabhadra river taking the Coracle ride. So, Coracle, as you can see, this is a kind of boat that can float in the water. It is basically made with canes and bamboo. Canes is a kind of bamboo, okay? And lower part, it is covered with some plastic. In earlier days, the leather was used to cover the lower part of the coracle, so that water won't penetrate into it. And the lower part of the coracle is polished with some tar or greasy thing to so that it will be waterproof.
Yes, and this is Baba. This ride is made with, see here, with bamboo. Yes, bamboo and rope. And this is Coracle.
And this is the best you ever have seen. You can also float like this. If you just leave it, it will float.
लोकल है नहीं इधर से हमारा 10 किलोमीटर
Okay.
उधर से बस काम करना है
Row your boat gently down the stream.
Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream.
And now let us talk about this river. This river is Tungabhadra. So Tungabhadra is formed by the confluence of two rivers, Tunga and Bhadra. These rivers confluence at Kudali. Kudali is a place in Karnataka, and both these rivers originate in Western Ghat. We know that Tungabhadra is the major tributary of Krishna river, and this river flows in the state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It also forms the part of some border between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. There's a dam established or made in Tungabhadra river, that is the Tungabhadra Dam. It is in Hospete. It is also called Pampa Sagar or Tungabhadra Water Reservoir. And one of the thing why Tungabhadra river is significant is it is related with our history. The capital of the great empire Vijayanagara is Hampi, that is situated on the bank of its river. So in Ramayana it is mentioned as Pampa. So that's why the Tungabhadra Dam is also called Pampa Sagar. The chief architecture of Tungabhadra Water Reservoir or Pampa Sagar Reservoir was M.S. Tirumallu Ayyanagar, and it was inaugurated by Srimati Indira
The
Gandhi.
Coracle ride is really different from boat one, Baba.
that steamer is different.
Yes,
We have taken steamer in Kolkata also.
and boat as well, but
अलग मजा होता है इसमें
yes, Coracle is
पहली बार हम लोग
different.
कोराकल में जा रहे हैं बोट में गए वो अलग है ये अलग है
And in boat,
boat we took boat in Mathan
yeah,
and in steamer in Kolkata, but here it is different Korakal.
Coracle is more comfortable.
No, that is also comfortable, but
This is entirely different.
Rocks, boulders.
as you can see, there are tall grasses on the bank of this river. So these grasses are bamboo canes. So bamboo cane is a long, hard, hollow stem of a bamboo plant. These are kind of the bamboo plant, but they are small, used for making products like furniture, buildings, material, or as a support of garden plant.
Riding up, we are upstream against the flow. This is upstream, Sona.
Yeah. I'm scared.
No.
Don't get scared.
It's learning adventure.
It's learning and adventure. My baby is learning. Okay. So this is upstream. We are going against the flow of the water.
Oh, we are floating.
Yes.
Yes, we did talk about upstream and downstream with Marcel. Upstream is moving against the flow of the stream, river, or water,
Now we are
and
going
downstream
downstream,
is
Baba.
moving
We are going.
with the flow of
We
the
are going.
water.
Upstream.
No, not upstream.
Down.
Downstream with the flow of the water. Okay, the stream is flowing in this
Do you feel
direction
dizzy
and
now?
we are also going in this direction.
And we are.
Oh, good.
Having the fire digging bullshit.
Okay, so Korakas.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
Close my eyes.
you can. You can. This is speeding.
Amina,
Oh,
ठीक है नहीं कर
okay.
मुझे तो चक्कर लग रहा है
Okay.
Our sailor was also having fun with us. He spun the coracle very fast, and you can see us laughing here. These bamboo canes are endemic to this region. Endemic means the species that are found exclusively in a particular place. These are endemic species. So they are very significant and vital for the local ecosystem, but are often more vulnerable to extinction due to their limited range and dependence on specific conditions. On the right bank of Tungabhadra River, the capital of Vijayanagara Kingdom, Hampi, was established, and on the left bank there is one small village called Anegundi. The literal meaning of Anegundi is Ane. Ane means elephant, and Gundi is a pit or gorge, a very big pit that is near the river where elephant can take bath. We know that one of the important rulers of Vijayanagara Kingdom, Krishnadevaraya, had a huge elephant army. So in this place, elephants were kept and bathed. On the left bank of Tungabhadra River, there is Anegundi, and other than Anegundi, Anjanadri Hill, that is also considered to be the birthplace of Lord Hanumana, is also there. And this region is also called Kiskindha.
इसलिए इसको किष्किंध एरिया बोलते हैं और तुमको राम लक्ष्मण है ना हनुमान को फर्स्ट इधर ही मिल
We have also taken several photos so that I'm sharing with you. We have enjoyed a lot, and I suggest that everyone should visit this place. This place has the beauty that is untouched, the untouched beauty of nature you can experience. So that's all for today in this video. I hope you like this video. Bye bye everyone.